Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning children. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to see lines and angles, second exercise. First question. Find the value of x and y and then show that AB parallel to CD. So here is our line AB and CD. They said we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. They have given this angle as 50 and this is angle X. Here is angle Y and here is 130 degree. So how is that we are going to prove this? Just you can see here two lines. CD is a given line and here is a line which intersect at this point. So you know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So 130 degree will be equal to angle Y. So first I am going to write Y equal to 130 degree. Why angle Y is equal to 130 degree? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. So we have learned this in the previous exercise. When two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Then next we have to find out what is X. Here they didn't give AB is parallel to CD. We are only going to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Remember that. Now this is a line and here is the ray which passes through. So then what about sum of these two angles? When I add X plus 50 degree, it will give me 180 because linear pair. So X plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree, which is linear pair. Now we can find out X. X is equal to 180. When I take plus 50 to other side, it is minus 50 degree. Now subtract 180 minus 50 will give X is equal to 130 degree. So here you can observe that X value and Y value is equal. Now again look into the diagram. Here is X and here is Y. Here you can observe that these two angles are equal. What about these two angles? This is alternate angles. Yes. So since alternate angles are equal, we can tell that AB and CD, both the lines are parallel. Since alternate angles are equal, AB is parallel to CD. We know that if alternate angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. If the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. If the sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree, then the lines are parallel. So let us see second question. If AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF and Y is to Z equal to 3:7. Find X. So they said that AB line is parallel to CD. Again they have given that CD is parallel to EF. So when you compare this, it is obviously seen that AB is parallel to EF also. So answer given as AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. So which implies AB is parallel to EF. Now since this AB is parallel to EF, observe the angle X and angle Z. Angle X is equal to angle Z. Yes, because alternate interior angles are equal. So since AB is parallel to EF, X is equal to Z because alternate angles are equal. We can just write alternate angles. It is enough. Then they have given Y is to Z equal to 3:7. So let us consider written that Y and Z be 3A So I have considered the alphabet A because already here we have three variables X, Y and Z. 3A and 7A. Now just observe here, angle AB is parallel to CD. Yes. So what about this angle X and angle Y? Angle X and angle Y is co-interior angles. When I add those two angles, I will be getting 180 degree. So I am going to add X plus Y, which is equal to 180 degree because co-interior angles. When you see here, no, it will be in the shape of the Tamil alphabet, Pa. When it is like this, if these two lines are parallel and this line is a transversal, when I add these two angles, it will give me 180 degree. Okay. Now substitute what is X and what is Y. Here X is equal to Z and here we have Z as 7A and Y as 3A. So instead of X, I am going to write 7A plus instead of Y, it is 3A equal to 180 degree. So since both the variables are same, we can add the coefficient. 10A equal to 180 degree, A is equal to 18 degree. Now let us find out the value for X. They have asked us to find the value for X. So X is equal to, what is X? X is equal to Z, which is equal to 7A. That is 7 into 18. So just multiply 7 into 18. It will give you 126 degree. Is it clear, children? They have given AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF, which obviously says that AB is parallel to EF also. So when AB is parallel to EF and here is a transversal line which passes through, angle X will be equal to angle Z because alternate angles. And they have given Y and Z in the ratio. So I have considered it as 3A and 7A. Here when you observe AB and CD is parallel and this is the transversal which passes through. So if I add angle X plus angle Y, it will give me 180 degree. Then I have substituted instead of X 7A and instead of Y 3A. So when I add it as 10A, A is equal to 18 degree. They have asked us to find the value for X. Here X is equal to 7 into A. So what is the value for A? A we got here is 18. So when I multiply 7 into 18, it is 126 degree. Okay, let us see next question. If AB is parallel to CD, EF is perpendicular to CD. Perpendicular means 90 degree and angle GED. So GED is 126. So this full angle is 126 degree. Find angle. So first we have to find what is AGE. Let us find out first. Now see, observe here. They are given AB is parallel to CD and this GE is the transversal. Then what about this angle and this angle? Just see only the two parallel lines, that is AB and CD is the parallel line, and observe this transversal line alone, GE transversal. Then what about this angle? You can see and variable Z. Yes. So what about these two angles? It is alternate angles which are equal. So answer, angle. What did they ask us to find? AGE. AGE equal to angle GED. Why it is equal? Because alternate angles. So therefore angle AGE equal to 126 degree. So first one we have found. Let us find the second one. Second one they are asking GEF. So GEF. So when you observe here, GED is the full angle and it is divided into two. Yes, one is GEF and the other one is FED. And FED is given as 90 degree. So how to find out this GEF angle? When I subtract 90 degree from 126 degree, I will be getting what is GEF. Am I right? So angle, what is the full angle? It is GED, which can be written as angle GEF plus angle FED. So I have just written, see here, this is the full angle, this is G, this is E and this is D. Here it is divided and this part is given as 90. Here is the variable F. So they have given us the full angle is 126 degree and we have to just find out this remaining part. So when I subtract 90 degree from the full 126 degree, I will be getting what is GEF. So GED is given as 126. GEF, we are going to find out what it is, plus FED is 90 degree. So take 90 degree to other side. So 126 degree minus 90 degree equal to angle GEF. So when you take positive to other side, it will become negative. So just subtract. When you subtract, this will give me 36 degree equal to angle GEF. So we have found second part, that is angle GEF equal to 36 degree. Let us find out the third part. What is the third part? They have asked us to find FGE. Where is FGE? Look into the diagram. So here FGE, here is FGE. Now when you look into the diagram clearly, here we have a straight line and here is a ray which passes through. Let me draw and show you. Here is the straight line and here we have a ray passes through. When you add these two angles, it will give you what? Angle AGE plus angle FGE will give you 180 degree because linear pair. So let us write what it is. Angle AGE plus angle FGE equal to 180 degree because linear pair. So we know what is AGE is. Just now we have found it as 126 degree plus angle FGE. We have to find out. Here it is 180 degree. So angle FGE equal to 180 degree minus 126 degree. So when I subtract angle FGE equal to 54 degree. The children, they have asked us to find three angles. So we found all the three angles.
Fourth question, if PQ is parallel to ST, angle PQR equal to 110 degree and angle RST equal to 130 degree, find QRS. So we are going to find this angle QRS. To do so, we are going to give an construction. That is, I am going to draw a line. Let me have this as A, B. Through R, I have drawn a line AB and which is parallel to ST. This is the construction which I am going to give. So construction, draw a line AB which is parallel to SP through R. Now let us prove this one. Here ST is parallel to RB. Just look into the diagram. These two lines are parallel. ST is parallel to AB. Consider this SR as your transversal. Then what about these two angles? This angle and this angle. Co-interior angles. If I add those two angles, I will be getting 180 degree. So angle RST plus angle SRB equal to 180 degree. Why? Because it is co-interior angles. Now I know what is RST. So 130 plus angle SRB equal to 180 degree. Now find out angle SRB equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. So angle SRB equal to 50 degree. Now again look into the diagram. In the question they have given PQ is parallel to ST. So we have given a construction that ST is parallel to AB, which implies obviously PQ is also parallel to AB. So given in the question is PQ is parallel to ST. So from construction AB is parallel to ST. So this implies PQ is parallel to AB. So when you compare these two lines, look into the diagram. This PQ line is parallel to this AB line, and consider this QR as a transverse. You can see a variable is S. Then what about these two angles? 110 and this full angle R is alternate angle. We know that alternate angles are equal. So angle. So since PQ is parallel to AB, consider the line as the transversal. So angle QRB will be equal to angle PQR. So I know that PQR is 110 degree. Now just look into diagram. QRB can be written as QRS. This is divided into two as QRS plus SRB. So QRB can be written as QRS angle QRS plus angle SRB equal to angle PQR. Now let us substitute the values instead of SRB. So angle QRS plus we have found S bar RB is 50 degree equal to, I know that angle PQR is 110 degree. So angle QRS will be equal to 110 minus 50 degree. So when you subtract, you will be getting QRS equal to 60 degree. So here let us write the reason. It is because alternate angles are equal. Okay. So first you have given a construction that AB is parallel to ST, which passes through the point R. And I have taken this ST parallel to AB, and this is the transversal line. So when I add 130 plus angle R, it is given 180 degree, which is co-interior angle. Then once you have found this angle, we know that PQ is parallel to ST. And in the construction we have given ST is parallel to AB. So which implies PQ is parallel to AB. So this PQR is equal to QRB because alternate angles. Then find out what is angle QRS. Let us move to next question. If AB is parallel to CD, angle APQ equal to 50 degree, angle PRD equal to 127 degree. Find X and Y. So we have to find X and Y here. So in the question itself they have given that AB is parallel to CD. Just look into this line PQ as transversal. Then what about this 50 degree and X of, you can see a variable Z here is, so alternate angles are equal. So first angle APQ equal to angle PQR because alternate angles are equal. So here I know APQ is 50 degree, which is equal to PQR is X. So therefore X is equal to 50 degree. Now I have to find out Y. Yes, now take the next line as the transversal line. Now again AB is parallel to CD only. Then PR as the transversal. Now first we have taken PQ as transversal line. Now take PR as your transversal line. Then which two angles will be equal? This 127 will be equal to 50 plus angle Y. This is also because of alternate angle. So angle APR will be equal to angle PRD because alternate angles. So here you can see this angle APR is divided into two. One is 50, other one is Y. So instead of APR, I am going to write 50 degree plus Y equal to PR is 127 degree. Now find out what is Y. So Y is equal to 127 degree minus 50 degree. So when you subtract this, you will be getting Y is equal to 77 degree. Okay, we have just taken these two lines separately as transversal and used only alternate angles to find the value for X and Y. Let us look on next question. Here PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflects back along CD. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. So we have already learned to prove that two lines are parallel. We have to prove either alternate angles are equal or corresponding angles are equal or sum of the angles on the same side of the transverse is 180 degree. So to do this, we are going to give a construction. So I am going to construct PL, which is perpendicular to PQ. Same way CM, which is perpendicular to RS. If these two lines are perpendicular, then these two lines will be obviously parallel lines. BL will be parallel to CM. So now let me write what is given. What is given? PQ is parallel to RS. This is what is given, and there is an incident ray and it reflects again. Then to prove, what is that we are going to prove? We are going to prove AB is parallel to CD. So to prove, I have to prove either the alternate angles or the corresponding angles are equal. So here I am going to mark this angle is divided here. So I am going to mark this angle as 1, this angle is 2, and this angle is 3, and this angle as 4. So I have divided. In this, if I prove this ABC equal to BCD, so if alternate angles are equal, then this AB will be parallel to C. Now, proof. Before that, we have given a construction. Yes, so we have to write what it is. So construction. What we have drawn? We have drawn a line BL which is perpendicular to PQ, and we have drawn a line CM which is perpendicular to RS. Since these two lines are perpendicular, obviously BL will be parallel to CM. So proof. So since BL is perpendicular to PQ and CM is perpendicular to RS, it implies that BL is parallel to CM. Now look into the diagram. If BL is parallel to CM, then BC will be the transversal. What about this angle 2 and angle 3? Both the angles will be equal. Yes, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Why? Because alternate angles are equal. And you have learned that angle of incident will be equal to angle of reflection. Here one is angle of incident and 2 is angle of reflection. So 1 will be equal to 2. Same way angle 3 will be equal to angle 4 because angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. So let me mark this equation as 1, this as 2 and this equation is 3. So compare 1, 2, 3. If you compare all the 3, it is known that angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 2 is equal to angle 3, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So obviously it is known all the angles are equal. So this implies from 1, 2 and 3, it implies that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, which is equal to angle 3, which is equal to angle 4. Now to prove, I am going to add equation 1 and 2. So add 1 and 2. So while you are adding LHS together you have to add and RHS together you have to add. Here it is angle 2 plus angle 1 equal to angle 3 plus angle 2. Now look into the diagram again. So on this side it is 1 plus 2. ABC is 1 plus 2. BCD is 3 plus 4. Since all the angles are equal, I am going to replace this angle 2 by 4 because 2 is equal to 3, 3 is equal to 4. So here angle 2 plus angle 1 will be equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. So which implies angle ABC will be equal to angle BCD. So therefore, since alternate angles are equal, AB is parallel to CD. So first we have given a construction that BM perpendicular to PQ and CM perpendicular to RS. So two perpendicular lines which this PQ and RS is parallel already and BL and CM is perpendicular. So these both lines will be parallel. So since these two lines are parallel, BC will be your transversal, angle 2 will be equal to angle 3 because alternate angles are equal, and angle of reflection will be equal to angle of incidence. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 and angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. When we compare these three equations, all the four angles are equal. So now I am going to add equation 1 and 2. So when I add angle 2 plus angle 1 equal to angle 3 plus angle 2. So since all the angles are equal, I have replaced angle 2 by angle 4. You see the diagram, when you give the namings, it is ABC equal to BCD. So since alternate angles are equal, AB is parallel to CD.